We're going to continue looking at 2D shapes and how we can sort 2D shapes by their properties and organise information using Carroll diagrams. On the screen, I have an example of a Carroll diagram. We can use it to organise and show information. Each square will include information. In this box, we would write any shapes we have which have 3 sides and 4 vertices. In this box, we would write any shapes which have 3 sides and 1 pair of parallel lines. In this box here, we would write any shapes which have 4 sides and 4 vertices. And finally, in this box here, we would write any shapes which have 4 sides and 1 pair of parallel lines. Let's have a look at an example. So here I have a Carroll diagram and I have some shapes. I'm going to sort these shapes into my Carroll diagram to show which shapes have 4 sides and no parallel lines, which shapes have 3 sides and no parallel lines, which shape have 3 sides and 2 pairs of parallel lines, and which shapes have 4 sides and 2 pairs of parallel lines. I've started already, I've done one shape already. A rectangle has 4 sides and 2 pairs of parallel lines. Let's take a look at triangle next. A triangle I know has 3 sides and it has no parallel lines. So I'm going to write it in this box here to show that it has 3 sides and no parallel lines. A square has 4 sides and 2 pairs of parallel lines. So I'm going to write it in this box here. Let's have a look at kite next. I know that a kite has 4 sides, but it doesn't have any parallel lines. And lastly, we have a circle. This doesn't fit into any of the boxes because it doesn't have 4 sides, it doesn't have 3 sides. So it can't go into either of these boxes, even though it's got no parallel lines. And it doesn't have 2 pairs of parallel lines. So, as I said, a circle cannot be sorted into this Carroll diagram. Now I'd like you to have a go at sorting some shapes into Carroll diagrams on your task.